I'm Fred Sakala from Columbian Home Products. Thank you for stopping by our video. What I'm showing you today is the hot holiday housewares for 2013. This is our Made in America story. We are celebrating our Made in America heritage with our Graniteware brand. Our Graniteware roasters and Better Browning bakeware are made in Terre Haute, Indiana. It's stamped carbon steel, fired with porcelain enamel finish, so it's all naturally non-stick, no chemicals, and totally organic. Our cutting boards are made in Crandon, Wisconsin, which is the great north woods of Wisconsin. We reclaim walnut, maple, and cherry from the world's top furniture and cabinet makers, and we craft them into our handcrafted cutting boards, wood bowls, and serving pieces. We're very proud of our products still being made here in the United States. We look forward to having you view them as our customers. You can find our products across all retail channels of distribution, from internet retailers like Amazon to mass merchandisers like Walmart and Target, and specialty retailers like Bed Bath & Beyond, Williams-Sonoma, and Crate & Barrel.